174 local governments in Nigeria. Our people can now see rapid development. So we just want to thank God Almighty for giving us a president like Ahmed Tinubu, who has had the courage to take this step by coming to the proper place to say, let the proper interpretation be made to give life to the third tier. Enough of the intimidation by forces who do not want democracy to exist in Nigeria. Mr. President, we say thank you for being a true Democrat. Thank you for giving life to democracy in Nigeria. We will never forget these gifts you've given to us. We want to say that democracy can now work at the third tier, and Nigeria is on the movement of rising again. Dr. Wanasike Samuel is my name.
My name is Ichako Ikoko. I am the Director General, the Association of Local Governments of Nigeria.